Hello everyone. Today we're going to look at My Math Lesson 6.9. Our objective for today, I will be able to estimate quotients of decimals and whole numbers. So we're getting into dividing with decimals today, but first let's estimate. In your My Math books, please go to page 429. Miss Glover buys 2 kites for a total of $15.18. If each kite costs the same, about how much did each kite cost? Explain why your answer is reasonable. So if I want to understand my problem, facts that I know, she buys 2 kites. It costs a total of $15.18. And I also know that each kite costs the same. So what do I have to find out? About how much each kite will cost. Focusing on the word about, which means that we're estimating. So for this problem, I know I'm dividing because I'm given my total and I'm given a part, which is the number of kites that she buys, and I'm splitting them equally because each of the kites costs the same. So that tells me I'm dividing. When I have a total and a part, I can divide to get the other part, and that would be the cost of each kite. So let's estimate that quotient because we were asked to find about how much it would cost. When we estimate with division, we need to use compatible numbers so that it can become mental math. Otherwise, you're going to have to do long division. My divisor is 2, which is already a simple number. Okay? Cutting things in half, dividing by 2 is mental math for a lot of us. So let's change $15.18 so that it's compatible with dividing by 2. So $15.18 is close to $16, and I know I can mentally divide 16 by 2. It's a basic fact. 16 divided by 2 is 8. So $15.18 divided by 2 is about $8. So that's how much money she will spend on each kite. Let's backtrack. Why did I pick 16? If I think of a number line, and I have $15.18 somewhere, what whole numbers is that near? Well, if I have $15.18, I can have $15, or the next amount would be $16. 18 cents would be about here. So if I were just rounding this, I would say $15.18 is close to $15. However, because we are dividing, we need to use a compatible number. 15 divided by 2 doesn't give me a whole number, and for some people that's not mental math. So I can still go to $16, even though it's not as close, but it's still close to that dollar amount. 16 is compatible with 2. To check our answer, we can do the opposite of division, which is multiplication. Let's take our divisor times our quotient. So 2 times 8 is 16, and 16 is close to $15.18, so our answer is reasonable. For the next example, 3 friends went out to dinner. The total cost of their meals was $32.57. If the friends split the bill evenly, about how much will each person pay? Explain why your answer is reasonable. To understand my problem, what facts do I know? 3 friends went out to dinner. Make sure that you're always careful to read your problem slowly because there might be words or numbers that are in word form, like 3. I know the total cost of their meal was $32.57. And I know they are splitting the bill evenly. What am I asked to find? about how much each person will pay. Again, this is division because I know my total amount, and I'm splitting that total evenly by a certain number of ways. So we're estimating, because it says about, $32.57 divided by 3, so let's round. We always start with a divisor when we have estimation with division. 3 is already a simple number, so I can keep the 3. And then in my dividend, I'm thinking, what whole number is a multiple of 3 that's close to the wholes that I already have? Well, the whole amount is $32. And when I list my multiples of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, etc., if I go quite a bit, I get 33. 3 times 11. So let's divide that out. 33 divided by 3, basic fact, is 11, because 3 times 11 is 33. So each friend will pay about $11. To check our work, since 3 times 11 is 33, and 33 is close to that actual total of $32.57, we know our answer is reasonable. The biggest thing to remember when you are estimating quotients is to choose the right numbers that work. If you're estimating quotients, you should not be doing long division. You should be selecting numbers that are easy to work with mentally. I'd like to do one more that is not in a word problem, just to show you and model the skill. $19.50 divided by 5. 5 is an easy number, I'm going to keep it. When I look at my dividend, $19.50, I need to think of the wholes, which are 19. When I count by 5s, what's the closest that I can get to 19, 5, 10, 15, 20? So 20 is a good dividend. And 20 divided by 5 is 4. So my estimate would be $4. So in this case, you're really not paying all that much attention to your decimal values because you're focusing on making these whole numbers. So I didn't really care much about that 50 cents because I was focusing on looking at my whole and finding a compatible number for that. All right, I would like for you to continue the guided practice on this page and then work on the independent practice and problem solving. If you have any questions, please raise your hand. Have a great rest of your day.